Welcome. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to set up and take down the Mess 3 tent. Let's get started. The Mess 3 comes in 3 carry bags, 1 with the canvas and 2 with the poles. All poles are numbered from 1 to 8. Lay them out on the ground, grouped by number. Use the included setup guide to see which poles go where. Start with the roof. Unfold the spring-loaded poles numbered 1 to 3. Then use poles numbered 4 to continue building the roof frame. Finish the structure by adding poles 5 through 8. The frame is up. Unroll the canvas alongside the frame. Carefully pull the canvas over the frame, step by step. Setting up the tent for the first time, don't forget to unroll the guy lines. They're still neatly wrapped. Once the canvas is correctly positioned, tie it to the frame from the inside. Start by tensioning the guy line at the door. Then secure the corner guy lines at an angle of about 45 degrees. Attach the small pegs to the elastic loops to tighten the sides. Make sure the PVC rain flap folds inward. Now tension all remaining guy lines firmly. Your Mess 3 tent is set up. The tent features 2 large doors, one at the front and one at the back. On each side, you'll find 3 large windows with integrated mosquito mesh. Pack up. Untie the canvas cords from the frame. Remove all guy lines and pegs around the tent. Carefully pull the canvas off the frame. Disassemble the frame and pack away all poles. Fold the tent in half lengthwise, then fold twice more. Tip: use the carry bag to match the correct width. Roll the tent tightly towards the bag and pack everything inside. Your Mess 3 tent is packed and ready for your next adventure. Thanks for watching, and happy camping.